Hello. Hi, guys. Hello. We are starting at the end. What do you mean? We've already done the day. Now we're going to start the intro. Backwards? Yes. Then what? Then we'll move forward again to the end. And do what? The end. Oh, for Pete's sake. Well, if you want to see what this is all about, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up before you forget it. We're going to clean my refrigerator, or part of it. And then Joe and I get some R&R. Ooh. I'm cleaning my refrigerator. I think maybe a little more often would help. Ooh. I'll be right back with a cleaner one. Oh, I'm cleaning the fridge and filming it. I see we're going out for a little ride later. Huh? Exaggerating a bit. But not much. The other shelves are going to wait for another day. Okay. Ah. There is a new channel called Schick. I think it's SCHICK. Happens. The guy is hilarious. And actually, Schick is the name of the street or the road they live on. And so it's just kind of funny because they just, well, I mean, they decided to name it that because it just sounds funny. But I can't remember his real name, but that's okay because he doesn't usually say what it is. He just says, this is Schick happens. Oh. I have figured out that without a ton of mousse and a ton of hairspray and teasing or something on top of it, my hair is just going to do whatever it wants. It always has, but I've always tried to fight it. I already moussed this back. It's holding a little bit. I sprayed it too. And hairspray is not something I like to use. I don't generally use it. But the sleep mask doesn't help because it, you know, but I tried to kind of make it look a little bit wild yesterday, but not, you know, kind of like the tousled, not wild, tousled. Just to give it a little lift. But then I slept on it, so I actually do sleep at night. Just I don't know what time I'm going to go to bed. I am a night owl. Here comes Mr. Joe. What'd you put on here?
Some Vaseline up there.
Yep, he put some Vaseline on it, on the where the chain meets the loop on the hook.
Oh, golly.
I decided, well, maybe it isn't so bad. We're not having to yell over the creek.
Oh,
The fan usually would turn on low if we're doing this, but yeah.
that did help.
Yeah, it did. It's not noisy at all. I miss a little bit of the creaking, but it's not. It's kind of nice not to have to yell over it. This is Joe, if you don't know.
I'm sure they know.
Oh, I'm sure they do. What happened yesterday?
It rained.
Oh, come on. He's playing dumb.
It's our anniversary.
Yes, it was. 43 years. I guess I've been telling you guys about it for a week at least, but anyway. Yep, 43 years. We had a very nice dinner. Didn't get the candles out, but he got me a beautiful bouquet of
Flowers.
flowers. Yes, there were some roses and there was some carnations or something.
The yellow ones weren't roses? I thought they were.
Well, they may be. They're just, maybe they're tea roses.
I don't know.
Some of them hadn't opened up yet.
Really?
Well, I mean, you didn't see the little buds? Well, that's right. It was in one of those packages that, well, that's okay, because then they'll have, they'll bud out or bloom out. Beautiful card. And I won't tell you what it said because it makes him sappy, he says. Oh, I don't think that should be embarrassing at all. I think it's cool when a man can be a little sappy. My dad was sappy. Still is. Not sappy, but he could get a tear in his eyes. Don't you love the way he just kind of avoids the camera? I'm going to cut a lot of this out because I don't have room for this and all the shelf cleaning on that refrigerator. Taking that shelf out of there, I think the next time I'm just going to leave the shelf in and use some vinegar water, although it needed the soap, but those things, I don't know. I know they're not really supposed to be breakable, but that front thing that's on them, the frame, it kind of felt like it could get loose. Didn't like that. And then it takes forever to get soap off, especially if you put as much as I did on there. His legs bothered him. It has been for days. Well, we're just going to sit here and kind of enjoy the swing.
Enjoy the less noise.
Enjoy less noise. And I'll say goodbye with the puppets inside later.
I thought you and Joe had lots of fun, and I think it's cool that the swing is quieter.
It is. It is cool. And we did have other company. Yeah! Pastor and the kids were down. Yes, they were. Our pastor and two of his children were down, and we had pizza and a very good discussion and communion. I thought that was kind of cool. So we had a very fun evening. It's been a day. Yep, it's been a good day. Yes, it has, because I got something important done. Yep. Well, that's important. Well, of course this is important, but I meant as far as housework. Oh, yeah, she did. I think it's time to say goodbye. Please be sure to subscribe and click the notification button. You gonna let me? I suppose. And do give us a thumbs up. But most of all, smile
And wave.
because somewhere across across your vision is somebody whose day needs to be a little better. And that acknowledgement means a lot. Yeah, but you use my head for it a lot. Oh, but you're just so cute and usable. Isn't that supposed to be cuddly? Well, that too. Eh.
See you tomorrow, guys. Love you.
Love you too. We do love you, and we will see you tomorrow. Please look for links to order these 3 books in the description below. Thank you so very much.